Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a PAL strip with 3 USB ports. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a PAL strip that has 3 USB ports from the company Tessan. And this PAL strip is very compact and minimalistic, so you guys can take it on the go. It comes with 4 widely spaced outlets, so you guys can plug in 4 different devices. And it also comes with 3 USB ports, so you guys can plug in 3 USB enabled devices with this PAL strip. The cable itself that you need to connect to the PAL strip is 5 feet long, so it's pretty long and it covers a distance that is, pretty decent for, the size of this package. But before we get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you're first time, tuning in or checking out this YouTube channel. Make sure you guys, leave a like if you do enjoy this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns about this PAL strip. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, all of social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you need any assistance, or if you're a company wanting to work with me, you guys can contact me using that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this PAL strip or get more information about this PAL strip, product information and also the link to purchase this PAL strip will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you guys want to purchase this PAL strip. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see on the front of the box, the packaging is fairly simple with this PAL strip, and as I spin it around, you guys can see there's only a few specifications and details on the side of the box. So what we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says Tessan, which is the company of this PAL strip. We do get a pictorial or visual representation of the PAL strip, and this is the model TS-102. As I flip it onto the back side, there's a few specifications and details. You guys can take a pause if you're interested in those specifications. But right now, what we're going to do is actually proceed to unbox this PAL strip. So what I'm going to do is open up this box and kind of pull back. But you guys can see we're instantly greeted with the contents inside this box. We get a user manual which will give you guys a lot more information and details on how to configure and set up this PAL strip. This PAL strip does contain a switch off switch, so you guys can turn it off at any given time without actually having to switch it off or unplug it from the PAL source. We do get a PAL indicator, and also it is from a fireproof shell. It also has a non-skid pad, so it doesn't kind of slide around on your table when you plug in things, so which is really nice and idealistic. So I'm going to pull out the PAL strip, and that's basically it for the packaging. But this is all that's in the packaging. All you got to do is take off this little plastic bag that they included. But this is how the PAL strip looks like. You guys can see it looks really nice and presentable. On this side is where you get all your USB inputs that you guys can plug in USB devices to charge your phones, tablets, and other devices on the side right here. And then on this side is our on and off switches, so you guys can turn on and off this PAL strip at any given time, so that you don't have to unplug, like I was saying, from the PAL source. So what I'm going to do is actually unwrap this zip tie, and you guys can see this cable is pretty long with this PAL strip. It is 5 feet long, and I don't know if I can fit this in the whole camera view. It looks like I can, but it is 5 feet long, so it covers a pretty decent amount of space. So I can plug this and then have this PAL strip kind of far away from it. They even included on the bottom some screw holes, so if you guys actually want to mount this on your wall or onto your table and stuff, you guys can do so with the included screw holes on the bottom. But honestly, that's basically it for the unboxing portion. So all that's left to do now is move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually take this end of the power strip and we're gonna plug it in to our power source. But what we're gonna do is switch this switch on. And there should be an LED indicator, which I do see actually. Okay, so I have a few devices that we're gonna be testing out with this power strip. It's going to be a little interesting because I do have a lot of devices that I can test out. But the first thing is, let's just plug in this little dinosaur thing. And we're just going to plug it into one of these ports on the side right here, as you guys can see. And we should be good to go. And you guys can see it turned on immediately. Let's do like one of my camera batteries. So I'm going to plug this into one of these AC ports. Plug it in just like that. And you guys can see the light turned orange, meaning that this is getting charged. So I'm gonna put that off to the side as well. We have a power bank, which we're gonna plug into one of the USB ports. Just take it, plug it in right here. This is on and being charged up by this power strip. Next up, we have some earbuds, and plug it into the last remaining USB port. And you guys can see the LED lights turned on, meaning that this is getting charged up by this power strip. Canon battery, I'm gonna plug it into this port. If the light turns orange, it's getting charged. And you guys can see the light turned orange, meaning that this power strip is indeed charging up all these devices all at the same time. I can charge up my phone. I'm gonna plug it into this port and watch this. It says my phone is getting charged up, meaning that this power strip is able to charge all these devices all at the same time. The last thing we're going to test out is some headphones, and then we just plug the brick in. You guys can see those are red LED indication. Hopefully you guys can see that with my bright studio lights. You guys can see I'm able to plug in 7 different devices with this power strip all at the same time and charge them all at the same time. So now I can charge multiple devices at the same time with this power strip. But right now what we're going to do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this power strip from the company Tessan? Honestly, this power strip is really effective. You guys saw that when I plugged in all those 7 devices, everything was able to charge up and power up at the same time. So it's really effective when you're traveling to have something like this minimalistic power strip laying around so you guys can charge up and many devices all at the same time and all in the same place. You get 4 AC ports and then you get the 3 USB ports on the side, meaning that you can plug in various different devices with this power strip, making it very convenient, like I said, to take on the go. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this power strip, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you guys will need to contact me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can use that email address to contact me if you need more assistance, or if you're a company wanting to work with me, you guys can do so by contacting me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this power strip, product information and also the link to purchase this product will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also get more information about this power strip if you guys are interested in making a purchase. But right now, that is going to conclude this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.